The BAP course by Blue Sky Training, or Building Analyst Professional course by Blue Sky Training, is here to help you reach the final step in your Building Analyst pathway journey. You should have already taken and completed the BSP for the principles and the BAT to learn how to data gather and do the field work as a Building Analyst technician. Now for the BAP, we've come to a vital step in the process because we're going to look at evaluation of the general scope for a building analyst. So we're going to actually start off in an introductory unit for evaluation and cover the basics of this evaluation that you'll need to do in order to continue that career path. After that introductory unit, we'll then move on to information on construction. Construction is going to be important because we'll look at those identification pieces that were covered in previous courses and then take those and learn how to make recommendations as well as work around significant issues you may find going into homes regarding construction materials. After construction, we'll cover health and safety because everything you do as a building analyst should be centered around the health and safety of the occupants, and this should be a primary concern. So we'll cover all the basics of health and safety and how to keep occupants healthy, as well as make corrections that may exist in homes that may be hindering that home's whole health. After health and safety, we're going to cover HVAC and mechanical systems. This is going to be a wide range of mechanical systems, how to evaluate the data you've collected on those, and then how to make recommendations for improvement. After that, we'll look at ventilation. And this just doesn't concern mechanical ventilation, but also passive ventilation. And that's going to be important because it may be a lesser known aspect of ventilation. So we'll cover some important codes and standards that you'll need to know, not only in order to pass your BAP test with BPI, but also move into the field and make sure homes have healthy and safe amounts of ventilation. After ventilation, look at the blower door. Now, you already know how to set up a blower door from the BAT, but how do you evaluate that data? The numbers that you collected can be confusing. So in the blower door section, we'll cover the evaluation to determine leakage rates and then next steps for homeowners to take to help tighten up their house in order to help save on energy and be more efficient overall. After the blower door, we'll then move to usage and conservation, which is going to cover a wide range of energy usage from electric to other combustible fuel types. And in this unit, we'll look at how to conserve those by changing occupant behavior and make manageable steps toward lowering energy bills, which will lead us into our next unit on modeling. Now, modeling might be a confusing topic, and you may have a lot of experience in that or none. This is going to be for all types and all levels of knowledge, as we'll start off with the basics of modeling, as well as where it can succeed and it can help a building analyst, as well as where it might lack and not be able to help a building analyst if you rely on it too much. You still need the skills that you've been learning through your building analyst pathway. After modeling, and we've created a good energy model for the home, we'll then go on to work scope. This is where you'll learn how to prescribe solutions for homeowners, not only to increase their energy efficiency, but solve health and safety, and then be able to communicate with homeowners and help them through that process as they begin to make improvements to their home. We'll then wrap it up with a unit that will contain final quizzes to help you master your BAP test and pass it with confidence. And among all of this, we'll have videos in the field, calculation videos, and then general information videos, as well as interactive practice exams. All of that will help you become a building analyst professional, which at Blue Sky Training, we're all about helping you reach the peak of your profession.